Hi guys, so battle for stage 2 is still remaining, which is nothing but your TISPAT and TISMAT 2021 exams. So all the aspirants, those who have cleared their TISNET exam, to all of them have to fight for stage 2 because battle is yet not finished. And we all know TISPAT करके नया pattern उन्होंने add किया हुआ है, and they have released the date as well as the syllabus for TISPAT and TISMAT both the exams. So business GK, essay writing, passage questions, case study, MCQ sort of a question, SOP, story completion, descriptive sort of a question. So these are detailed syllabus which you have to prepare. For TISMAT there is RC, then there is a DI, and then there is business GK. So business GK को लेकर के we have launched 500 plus GK boosters program. So with regards to business GK many questions are coming up कि सर business GK में क्या पढ़ना है, static पढ़ना है, current affairs पढ़ना है. So business GK को लेके what we have done 500 plus questions का GK booster program we have launched. So you can join these programs. और आपके TISPAT को लेकर के essay writing है, and in your TISMAT there is a descriptive also, तो उसको लेकर भी we have launched this separate program. About all this program I will guide you further. Essay writing, case study sort of questions will be coming up in your TISPAT. Different course को लेके उन्होंने different exams conduct किया हुआ है. Some of the courses have MCQs and the essay writing, then SOP is there, story completion is there. So with regards to SOP, आपका जो program है by next week launch हो जाएगा SOP को लेकर के. And apart from all these, very important, which is nothing but the OPI. So OPI going to be a bit challenging for TISS, तो उसके लिए भी अच्छे से prepare करना so that you can convert the TISS campus. Now let's see some important dates. आपका जो date आया हुआ है TISPAT and TISMAT दोनों exams को लेकर के, which is nothing but 28th of June, Sunday को अपना exam है. Also it will be center based exam, and as they have mentioned PAT MAT दोनों को लेके center change का जो closing date है वो 15th of June है, तो which means आपको center पे बुला के exams लेने वाले हैं. Hall ticket they will be releasing by 31st of May, and DAF process so far is ongoing. 31st of May से लेके 4th of July तक का process है DAF को लेकर के. And they have also mentioned all dates which are mentioned, they are tentative dates, मतलब ये subject to change भी हो सकता है depending on the COVID-19 situation in the state and the country. So ऑनलाइन जो पर्सनल इंटरव्यू है वो अपना 5th of July को है, तो अपने पास काफ़ी टाइम है OPI के लिए प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. एंड जो फाइनल रिजल्ट जो मेरिट लिस्ट आउट होगा वो आएगा आपका 26th of July. देन डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोडिंग को लेके 28th of July, अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट वेटिंग लिस्ट 10th of August, फिर ऑनलाइन डॉक्यूमेंट अपलोडिंग 12th of August से लेकर के 28th of August, completion of admission formalities 26th of July से लेकर 28th of August, and commencement of the academic year is nothing but 30th of August. तो मतलब सितंबर पकड़ के चलो. So once again all these dates are tentative guys, ये change भी हो सकता है, but we need to consider this is what the deadline for us, and we have to prepare for the PAT MAT and the OPI 2021. Alright, so in case if you want to join for your OPI program, essay writing program, TISMAT को लेकर के, TISPAT को लेकर के, just log on to menuedu.com वेबसाइट और यहाँ पे बाय ऑनलाइन में MBA एंट्रेंस पे आ जाओ. एंड अगर TISMAT का कोर्स ज्वाइन करना है तो फुल कोर्स में जा करके ये TISMAT का कोर्स है, यू कैन ज्वाइन दिस प्रोग्राम. वीडियो लेक्चर्स, हैंडआउट्स एंड 10 फुल लेंथ मॉक मिल जाएगा आपको. एंड देन गो फॉर द सेक्शनल कोर्सेज. यहाँ पे you will get all TISMAT descriptive को लेकर के आपका VAT, personal interview descriptive, then your PI, case study आपका, then your essay writing, business GK 500 plus question जो GK boosters है. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर आपका PDF दिया हुआ है, you can download this PDF and you can just start going through all the questions. At least 2 times go through करके जाना so that you can remember the data till your exam. So इन सब का direct link मैंने description में दिया हुआ है, you can check the description. Also if you want to join for the mock test for your TISMAT exam तो mock test पे आ जाओ. and यहाँ पे TISMAT को लेके 10 mock tests we have launched, you can write the mock test also. Alright guys, so that's all in this video. business GK को लेकर के जितने भी लोगों को डाउट है you can just download the PDFs and start going through it. Rest of the program for TISPAT को लेकर के, program aptitude को लेकर के we keep on launching. Next program SOP को लेके आने वाला है, and other program also will be launching very soon. So be connected with the channel to join for the TISNET 2022 or 23 if any of your friend want to join for the TISNET. So for that you can contact to our team on this number 8828581455. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.